Now, pansin ko sunod-sunod ang labas ng mga foldable phones in the market. Now, na si Samsung with its Z Fold 7, si Vivo with the X Fold 5. Then came along Honor Magic V5. It used to be si Honor ang pinakamanipis na foldable na tinatawanan niya si Samsung na ang taba-taba mo. Now na pumayat ng husto si Samsung at 8.9mm pag folded and si X Fold 5 is also slim, is the Honor Magic V5 still the slimmest in the market right now? Kaya pa rin ba niyang tawanan si Samsung for being fat? Or magkasing payat na lang sila ngayon? Pag-usapan natin after this quick intro. Now, ang box ng Honor Magic V5 is almost the same sa kanyang V3. Ganito ang itsura and, well, it looks premium ang kanyang packaging. Now, syempre, bubuksan muna natin and what we can see is the Magic V5 here. Now, we'll save that for later. Sa loob, we have your SIM ejector tool. We have a really nice case. Pag sinalpak mo, maganda to. And pwede mo pang gawing stand ito. Galing. Ganda ng kanyang design. Parang Huawei. Then, itong box is really mysterious. Ang ganda ng kanyang pagkagawa is slide down mo lang. You have your A to C cable. And if you slide up, you get your 66 watts na charging brick. And of course, ito na, ang phone itself. Ito yung itsura niya, kanyang packaging. Amoy muna natin. Amoy bago. So, here, this is the Magic V5. Uy, looks premium And pag hawak ko, I would tell you na, uy, manipis nga siya. Manipis hawakan, no? See, tinan nyo guys, ang nipis. When it's unfolded, it's 4.1mm thick. And when it's folded, it's just 8.8mm thick. So it means na mas manipis pa rin siya kay Samsung. Si Samsung 8.9mm thick pag naka-folded. So still, this is your slimmest na foldable in the market right now. Ang color na hawak ko is the black gold and there's several other colors available in the market. Na meron ng good news sa inyo pagdating sa kanyang presyo. Itong phone na ito, si Honor Magic V5, na kanya 16 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of storage, walang price increase. So meaning, it's still 89,999, the same as the Honor Magic V3. Na I'll post the link on the description box below kung saan nyo siya pwede mabili or just simply click the YouTube shopping link na lilitaw bigla sa inyong screen. Ingat tayo sa binibili natin dahil magpapasko na and maraming scammers out there. Now, pagdating sa kanyang design, tuwang-tuwa ako sa kanyang form factor. It really looks really nice. And I think probably this is the best foldable na design ever. Nahawakan ko na si Z Fold 7, nahawakan ko na si X Fold 5, and kay Xiaomi. I think this is still the most premium among them all. Walang bias to Yung feel niya is just eksakto sa aking kamay. I'm not really too much of a foldable guy, pero this is definitely something na I would love to put inside my pocket. One of the things na magugustuhan mo talaga dito is halos kasing kapal lang niya isang regular smartphone. And here's the fun part. Normally, ang phone with ganitong kalaking camera bump, medyo mabigat ang kanyang ulo. Pag ginagamit mo, hawak mo, feel mo parang medyo huhulog na yung ulo niya. Just like my Xiaomi 15 Ultra. Mabigat talaga ulo nito. Pag nag-text ako, minsan parang feel ko mahulog na yung phone sa sobrang bigat ng kanyang ulo. And nung tinry ko i-balance sa akin daliri, yan, di ba? Halos mahuhulog na. Hindi mo mababalance ang Xiaomi 15 Ultra. Ito ang kaganda ng Honor Magic V5. Nung nilagay ko sa akin daliri, I was able to balance this one out. Guys, tingnan nyo. Galing. Hindi ko alam kung paano na binalance sa weight, no? Kita mo, hindi siya yung tumatagilid na mas mabigat ang ulo or gumagana dahil mas mabigat ang battery. Guys, tingnan nyo. No fluke. This is just one finger balancing itong phone na ito. Good job on that, Honor. Yung ginawa na dito sa kanyang camera, meron siyang octagon na ring dito which separates itself from the other flagship phones out there. And the best part, sobrang tibay ng kanyang metal hinge dito. Meron siyang up to 35 kilo ang kanyang hinge strength and up to 70 kilograms ang kanyang chassis strength. IP58, IP59 dust and water resistant. And guess what? This one won the Guinness World Record for being able to hold isang buong motorcycle na 104 kilogram. Grabe, isipin mo, no? Ganun katibay pala itong phone na ito. So meaning kaya niya akong buhatin, nasa 85 kilograms lang ako. Now, kidding aside, during the launching ng Honor Magic V5 here in the Philippines, pinakita na sa atin yung ganda and tibay ng kanyang hinge. This one was able to hold a 100 kilogram na sofa. Imagine mo itong phone na ito being able to hold a big sofa na 100 kilogram. Kaya ba talagang matibay ito? Hindi lang siya manipis, very durable and very reliable na foldable phone ito, separating itself from the competitors. Na kung gusto malaman ng full spec sheet na itong phone na ito, eto na. Now, flagship phone deserves flagship specs. Snapdragon 8 Elite na dito sa loob ng phone na ito. And honestly, lahat ng iba mo dito, walang problema. Video editing, may AI pa nga to. Playing games, pero itong phone na ito is definitely not intended for gamers. Take real good photos, and a lot more. Perfect din siya pang binge watch sa mga K-dramas. Now, with all that said, kamusta naman kanyang score sa Antutu benchmark? Nakakuha ako ng 2.45 million points dito sa Antutu benchmark, which is for me quite a good score para sa isang foldable. Alam naman natin si Samsung, pag nitis ka ng mga foldables, nino-nerf nila ang kanyang processor. But it seems to me, okay itong score na ito. And here are the other benchmark kung gusto nyo malaman din. Now, another thing na nagustuhan ko dito sa kanya is quite good din ang kanyang battery endurance. With its 5,820 mAh na battery, it can last you the whole day without charging. Basta you're just using it moderately. Ako, gamit ko to as my daily driver for the past few days. And performance-wise sa battery is definitely good. Mas madalas ko gamit ng inner screen kaysa outer screen kasi gusto ko talaga i-maximize and i-feel yung ganda nitong phone na ito. And I was surprised na binigyan din ako ng 15 hours and 39 minutes of screen on time dito, further strengthening yung claim ko na maganda ng battery performance. This is tested sa kanang outer screen. Siguro pag inner screen, mag-minus ka ng 3 to 4 hours kasi yun ang base sa akin experience on other phones na tinest natin sa PC Mark. Halos magtatagal siguro to ng mga 11 to 12 hours when you're using the inner screen. Mabilis din mag-charge sa phone na ito with a 66 watts na Honor Supercharged na charging support plus 50 watts din ang wireless charging. Now, on the sides, alam natin na there are days na gusto mo mag-travel and ito ang phone na gamit mo as your daily driver. Now, I got some new products here from Ugreen. This is the Magflow na magnetic wireless charging power bank. Meron siyang 10,000 mAh sa battery capacity, 25 watts na wireless charging support, and a 30 watts na wired charging support. What's nice dito sa kanya is meron siya built-in na cable na pwede mo rin gawin pang sabit. One good thing dito sa kanya is support din ng Honor Magic V5. Kailangan mo lang dalagan-lagyan ng isang ring dito sa likod and pagkapit mo dito, it's going to charge wirelessly. And another new product din is this one from Ugreen na Magflow na 2-in-1 na wireless magnetic charger. Goods dito sa kanya is that you can charge 2 items at the same time. Yung mga nagsusupport ng wireless charging mga TWS like the Apple AirPods, papato mo lang dito, basta supply mo ng power, pwede na siya mag-charge wirelessly. At the same time, pwede ka magkabit ng iyong phone dito and it's going to charge wirelessly din. So, one good thing dito sa kanya is that pag nakatayo siya, you can scroll on your social media accounts. Mag-enjoy ka talaga dito kasi parang may tagahawak ka ng phone, ikaw scroll habang sa charge. And pwede mo rin unfold yung kanyang screen and you can watch from the inside of your screen, enjoying other favorite shows that you might want to watch. For more details about these two products, description box lang. Now, pagdating sa display, I had a good time with using the outer screen or the inner screen. Pareho silang LTP o AMOLED display, kaya nga matipid ng kanyang battery. And both inside-outside screen, meron siyang PWM dimming, so meaning your eyes are protected if you're using it in the dark or patulog na kayo. And with its 5,000 nits na maximum brightness, pag nasa outdoor ka, expect mo to give you a good experience kanya dahil it's just simply bound to do so. Ang outer screen nito is being protected by the Honor Anti-Scratch Nano Crystal Shield and yung kanyang loob is being protected by the Honor Super Armored Inner Screen, ensuring you maximum protection when you need it. Now, one feature na magugusto mo dito sa kanya is this one. Pwede mo gamitin ng split screen dito. You can either use 2 split screen or 3 split screen, depende sa gusto mo. Pakita ko sa inyo paano gamitin yung 3 split screen. So, pag bukas mo na ito, pag pinili mo ng 3 split screen, you can choose 3 apps na gusto mo. Sabihin natin ito and ito. Kunwari, nagka-canvas ka ng isang product sa Shopee and Lazada, just want to compare yung price niya side by side, you can use this, no? And at the same time, kung gusto mong mabilis mag-switch over to the other one, slide out mo lang yung kabila, nanonood ka pa rin ng TikToks on the other side, which is definitely cool, di ba? This is a good feature na gustong-gusto ko dito sa kanya. Now, of course, syempre po, nag-browse ka ng mga social media dito on the outside screen and the inside screen. Expect mo naman na maganda-ganda display. I did have a good time naman dito, mapa sa loob or sa labas ng gamit ko, and talagang okay na okay ang kanyang display. And if you're watching naman mga long format on YouTube, maganda rin ang kanyang display, and definitely you're bound to enjoy. Dapat lang, mahal kasi itong phone na ito. Now, gusto ko lang i-test yung kanyang sounds right now kung gaano siya kalakas, and here goes. Honestly, malakas ang kanyang sound for a foldable. And yeah, magugusto mo to for music tripping on Spotify and other media na pinapanood ninyo. Now, since itong phone na ito has a Snapdragon 8 Elite, hindi ko mapigilan maglaro ng 3 games dito. I did play Genshin Impact, Wuthering Waves, and si Delta Force. Now, all of these 3 games, sinagad-sagad natin kanyang graphical settings. So, kasi alam naman natin kayang-kaya nito phone i-handle. It boils down kung saan mo siya lalaroin, on the outside screen or the inner screen. Nilaro ko si Genshin Impact and si Wuthering Waves on the outside screen and it's definitely good. Wala naman napansin na frame drops dito, though wala naman siya FPS counter. The gameplay was quite smooth naman. Pero pansin ko lang sa Wuthering Waves, there are times na medyo parang nag-lag lang ng konti. I'm not quite sure kung dahil sa aking internet connection or dahil sa itong phone na ito. Pero overall, the gameplay was really good. Smooth naman siya, malakas ang kanyang sounds, the touch response was good. And si Delta Force, nilaro ko siya on the inner screen. The experience wasn't really the same as the outside screen. Siguro medyo nanibago ako sa kanya. And probably the way I navigate yung sa inner screen, medyo mas less responsive siguro sa aking touch. I'm not quite sure kung medyo pigil lang kanyang inner screen sa aking daliri, pero parang medyo mas mabagal ang galaw ko sa loob, medyo nalilimited ang aking mobility dito sa kanya. And by the way, meron din siyang game manager which you can kick into game mode. Except that wala siyang bypass charging and wala siyang FPS counter while you're playing. Now, usapang camera, I heard that this one has greatly improved over from the V3. And other tech creator claims that this one is even better than the Z Fold 7 in terms of photography. So pag-usapan natin mga lenses na meron na dito. Meron siya 50MP na main camera sensor with OIS. And by the way, this one is a Sony IMX906. Then meron siyang 64MP na telephoto lens which can capture up to 3 times optical zoom. This one is a OmniVision na OV64B. And 50MP rin ang kanyang ultra-wide lens with a 122 degrees na field of view, shooting you at 4K and 60, and ang kanyang selfie camera na folded and unfolded pareho siyang 20MP and can shoot you up to 4K and 30. Now, I heard from other creators na gumanda ng husto tong camera ni Honor Magic V5. And of course, pag outdoor, expect mo naman very nice yung mga snaps na makukuha mo. As long as you have really nice lightings naman, you'll be able to get some really nice snaps. And very sharp naman mga photos na kuha ko. The green are a bit saturated pero it's looking just very nice. And some of these flowers na simple siya na nakuha natin, looking really nice. And magandang kanyang pagka-capture sa kanyang subject. And what I like is also yung kanyang pagka-background blur is pretty solid as well. Now, kung naglalakad ka naman just within the vicinity like a tourist, you'll be able to get some pretty nice solid snap naman while namamasyal ka. Now, kung mahilig ka naman sa plant or flower photography, this phone can definitely get you some really nice snaps as well. Now, kung ang hilig mo naman is food photography like me, sa indoor, you'll be able to enjoy din. Pero pansin ko lang, it's a little bit more enhanced, a little bit more brighter compared sa nakita ko. Pero overall, the foods captured here are pretty nice and solid. And I can tell you na this is probably one of those foldables na maganda ang performance pagdating sa food photography. And further taking some indoor shots, you'll be able to get some really nice snaps naman dito sa kanya out of this camera. And it's really bound to perform. Now, meron siyang bagong feature dito to show us na merong AI enhancement going on dito sa kanya if you're zooming it beyond 20 times zoom. So makita mo dito on this photo, AI enhanced siya, no? Meron siyang dalawang mode of taking zoom photos, isang normal, isang AI. And makita natin, this is a normal. And this one is a AI. Makita mo, no, mas brighter, mas enhanced, mas sharper kunti yung kanyang photo at 20 times zoom. And this is yung kanyang itsura when it's 100 times zoom. Makita natin na medyo mas dead yung color ng red. Wherein as ito, AI enhanced, mas maganda tingnan, mas matingkad yung kanyang red, and mas sharper a bit yung kanyang wordings. And this phone can also take you a really good na ultra-wide shot as well. Now, pagdating sa kanyang selfie camera, it's almost the same quality yung kanyang folded na selfie cam and yung kanyang unfolded na selfie cam. And taking a look at some of these outdoor shots, I was quite shocked, no? Na ang maganda, quite good, quite sharp yung mga nakuha ko dito from the outdoor. Though it's a little bit enhanced yung mukha ko. Makita mo na medyo bawas yung mga blemishes. Pero overall, I was quite amazed with the sharpness na nakukuha niya. Especially pagdating sa mga portrait shot na medyo magandang kanyang cut sa mga edges. And pagdating na sa indoor, just like any other cameras, medyo mag-underperform sa konti kasi makita mo mag-smoothen out siya. Makita mo, medyo mababawasan na kanyang quality. But overall, masasabi ko, pag magandang yung lighting sa indoor, it can get you some really nice ones. Now, tingnan naman natin kanyang performance pagdating sa video. Yung Honor Magic V5 and shooting at 4K and 30, I would say na pretty solid ang kanyang front-facing camera. Maganda naman kanyang quality. Just that I was hoping na sana gawin nila 4K and 60 since it has a flagship chip. Sana ginawa nila, they bump it up to 4K and 60. And equally solid din naman kanyang rear camera shooting on 4K and 60. I would say na very steady, very solid ang kanyang camera. kahit mag-pan around ka, no? Kahit wala kang dalang gimbal, pwedeng-pwede pang vlogging itong kanyang camera. So, pakita ko sa inyo some of the neat tricks that you can do with the AI power netong Honor Magic V5. So, AI edit, you can do a lot of things over here. AI eraser, AI upscale, AI cutout, and AI outpainting. So, let's start with AI eraser. Very simple lang naman to. Just draw a circle around sa subject na gusto mo ibura. And in a while, kapoom, mawawala na siya. Just like that. Just in a snap of a finger ni Thanos. Yeah, goodbye, pusa. Now, itong upscale naman to is more pang enhance ng kanyang image. You can do the AI cutout if you trip. Na kung gusto mong ilipat siya, let's say, gusto ko i-reposition itong pusa ito dito. Ayan, di ba? Na-reposition siya. And this one, gusto ko i-move din to. Di ba? So, lipat ko lang dito. Ganon. Ganon kasimple, di ba? It's very easy. And pwede rin ako mag-AI outpainting kung gusto ko. No. Palakihin ko lang yung kanyang yung surrounding. Di ba? Parang medyo mas wide ang view ko dito. You can also do that. O, di ba? Parang ang laki na ng view mo dito, di ba? Kitang-kita yung pusa is just lying around the corner. Parang ang ganda lang tingnan. Very nice ng painting na ito. So, naalala nyo yun sa Honor 400 na ginagawa nating image to video. No, pwede rin natin gawin dito sa V5. So, all you need to do is go to Gallery, Create, and Image to Video. Agree ka lang. Add image. Got it? Try lang natin yung dalawang pusa. No? Let's see kung anong mangyayari na if you make them a video, start generation. So remember, hindi siya unli. Makita mo, you have 3 free trials left. So, may bayad na siya siguro after na itong 4 na trials. I'm not sure kung everyday meron kang 4, pero let's just see. From still photo to video. Chill na chill yung isa. Now guys, kamusta naman experience ko dito on this phone? On this all-new na Honor V5 na foldable. First of all, yes, it's the slimmest. 8.8mm when folded and 4.1 when unfolded. And definitely, you're going to have a good time dito sa phone na ito. I did try to touch yung Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, which is definitely makanto. This one gives you a different experience all in all. In real-life usage, di mo naman ito pambubuhat ng isang buong motor. Well, honestly, it's kinda ridiculous. Pero it's nice to know na matibay ang kanyang hinges. Ako personally, I like yung kanyang free na leather case dito sa loob, which is definitely good. Pwede mo kasi siyang gawing pang stand, no? Pag binuksan mo kanyang ring. And given na magandang kanyang photography dito on this phone, you also can play games on this one. Multitasking is definitely great dito, pati mga kanyang AI features. There's nothing really much to complain kasi ang presyo niya is walang price increase from the V3, $89,999. Let's round it up to 90. Compared sa Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, which is priced at 121,000 pesos para sa kanyang 12,512 na storage, di hamak na you save a lot dito with a roughly a 31,000 pesos na savings. With a better performance and a better camera, well, pagdating sa foldables, I think this one is still the one to beat. The Honor Magic V5. Now, would I recommend tong foldable na to? It's hard to say no kasi sa ganda ng kanyang specs and sa performance, it's really hard not to say yes on this phone. So if you're out there hunting for a really good na foldable, the Honor Magic V5 is definitely the one to get. So I'm pretty sure pagdating sa mga early bird buyers, may mga freebies. So don't forget to check the link on the description box below or just simply click yung aking YouTube shopping link na sa screen. And if you know any friends na naghahanap ng foldable, please do recommend tong video sa kanila. And of course, i-invite ko kayo mag-like and subscribe dito sa aking channel para makagawa ako ng more videos just like this one. So hanggang muli, magkita-kita tayo ulit sa aking next na video. Peace out. And so, ako para si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.